At the heart, our secret sauce, our earned secrets, are the fact that we have over 500 FAANG and FAANG Plus instructors on the platform. Like I said, hiring managers, TLs, senior engineering managers, on the engineering manager masterclass, directors of engineering, and on the career side, technical recruiters. These are folks who are actively interviewing on a day-to-day basis. We learn from them, right? Because they are constantly interviewing, because we have alumni who feed back into the program, we are constantly iterating what we teach. We are probably better placed to explain what is happening at the interview processes at top companies, even more than, let's say, a Google or a Facebook or an Amazon or a Uber, because we have this set of people from all of these companies who are obsessed about helping make strong engineers so that people can up-level in their career. All our curriculum is developed by them. All our classes are taught by them, right? All our instruction done by them. All your mock interviews, practice interviews done by them. So you will have access to about 100 plus hours of time with these folks across the length and breadth of the program in various forms, constantly with feedback for you to improve, right? It really takes a village to help somebody up level in their career. And in this case, the village is made up of actual hiring managers working very closely with you in each week that you are in the program. So what does the program come with, right? There are 8 components to the program based on your level and based on your domain. You will have a different mix of things. And I'll give you a couple of examples, right? So you understand how these different domains play out. Coding, algorithms, data structures, large-scale system design, designing large and distributed systems, proficiency built in your area of work, right, which is your domain, career and soft skills, very underrated by many software engineers, but very crucial to make these transitions. In the case of managers, engineering managers, product managers, or TPM, you will have to build proficiency in leadership capabilities. A whole bunch of mock interviews. That's where the rubber hits the road. So you can practice, right? Get comfortable in these very nervy environments. Once the course is over, you will have a really long support period. If you want to retake classes, go back, review, audit, practice. The idea of the support period is for us to handhold you and stay with you while you are actually interviewing. So you will go interview, you will come back from the interview, you will tell us how it went. You might say, hey, it went well. We'll be like, great. No, it didn't go well. Okay, let's go back, do a mock interview. Let's try and understand why this didn't go well. Let's deconstruct your interview. Oh, it went great. I got an offer. During that period, we will help you with negotiation, how to structure these discussions, everything. Right? That's why we have a long support period, right? And then you have lifelong access to all the material. So you will have this in perpetuity. And at any point of time from now till forever, if you are making a transition, you can use that material and you can come back to us at any point of time if you want guidance on negotiations, offers, all of this, right? So based on your pathway, you will get a mix of these things, right? I'm going to give you 3 examples of different masterclasses to show how we will pick and choose from different things, right? In every masterclass, we design the masterclass with hiring managers from these top companies, and we start by trying to understand what does the interview process test for. Top company interview processes are funky, right? They test for unique sets of skills that matter to that company and that kind of indicate what you need to be a strong engineer in those strong engineering teams, right? So I'm going to take 3, right? In a full stack interview process, the interview is here on the left, right? You will have 4 to 6 rounds at these companies. 1 to 2 rounds will be on coding. So as a full stack engineer, you will start with coding. Then you progress to front-end fundamentals. Then you move to system design. Post that, you will have front-end specific system design, right? Here, the solution is going to be evaluated based on accessibility, modularity, performance, right? And then you will end with typically 1 or 2 behavioral rounds, right? So this is what a full stack engineer is going to have to demonstrate, right, when they're in the interview process. In order to demonstrate this, what you see on the right is the breakup of the master class for a full stack engineer, starting with algorithms. So it maps to the interview process. First 5 weeks will be algorithms. The next 3 weeks will be on system design. Then you will move into front-end engineering specific prep, where we'll talk about JS libraries, language, we'll work on your UI, front-end system design, we look at patterns, tools, then we will move into soft skills and your support period, right? This process is designed with a deep understanding of the full stack interview process. Now, this is different for, let's say, a TPM. In the case of a TPM, you have 3 to 5 rounds. In TPM interview process, you do not have coding, but you have a lot more focus on system design, right? So we will start with, so on the left, you see like 3 to 5 rounds, 2 to 3 rounds of hard program management skills. Then you will have a soft skill round. If you're a TPM, you'll have system design, you'll have design on common structures in agile projects, and you'll have basic understanding of the software domain. For a PM, this is slightly different. PM skills will be more metrics driven, more product strategy. And so a TPM is also different from a PM. In both cases, you do not need coding. So why waste your time on coding, right? We will start, get you, the on-ramp is system design, okay? Then we will straight away move into leadership components, because leadership components are important. You're in the management layer, right? Weeks 4 to 7 is that. Then we will move into details of your domain. So in the TPM area, methodology, management, and basic CS fundamentals, right? It's more like a technical brush up because you need to have some proficiency. Go on to career skills, go on to support period, right?